Okay, listen, serious question, serious question. I need to know, have you turned your swag on for the day? Turn my swag on. Take a look in the mirror, say what's up, what's up. Yeah, getting money. Okay, y'all know the song for the day is Turn My Swag On by Soulja Boy, because that just, like, that should be an alarm, because it's just such high energy, so silly, so goofy. I love it. And I was singing it as I was brushing my teeth. I was like, this is my song for the day. Like, this is the energy. Oh my gosh, where are my manners? Hello to the newcomers. Welcome to 30 Days of Pouring Into Yourself. This is a no excuse way to do something kind for yourself every single day. The videos are typically 10 minutes, and it's in essence an affirmation challenge where we just keep it light, easy, and simple, and say kind things to ourselves to inspire us and empower us to just grow together and glow together. You see the skin? This is what is day 10? Come on. If there's any form of advertisement that should work to tap into this channel and subscribe, is this. I know you see this. I know you see the skin, the glow. Like, come on. So it's just a way for you to connect to your energy, but I won't say too much because you're going to subscribe and you're going to be here, duh, to see what else is to come as we continue to pour into one another and build community. So don't be afraid to connect with people in the comments. I will let you get back to the video. Okay, bye. Anyways, how are y'all doing? That's my song for the day. What's your song for the day? What are you listening to? Put me on to any new artists, any old songs, whatever you're feeling. It is so nice outside. I've been debating doing these videos outside again, but the sound in the background is so like so maybe until I get myself like a little mic or something for my camera, that's when I'll go back outside. But it is like toasty in my room. That's how I know it is nice outside. So we're gonna go outside soon. But to pick your brain, I had some ideas come to me and then I forgot to write them down, but it's fine. I want to know, what was your favorite show as a child growing up and why? Like, why? I'm not gonna answer that question. I'm gonna wait till you answer that question, because this is not about me. This is about you, okay? It's about you. How is your day going? Any good news yet? If not, I'm manifesting some for you. But without further ado, we're gonna jump into the affirmations to get this video started and going on a roll and see. Okay, I am happy with where I am in life right now. I am no longer subscribed to bare minimum treatment or behavior. I am planting new seeds and watching them sprout. Every day, I am giving myself enough grace to move forward. I understand that in times of doubt, I have someone to lean on. I trust that my Creator is aligning things for me in favor of my highest good. I have no doubt that in whatever I do, I will be successful. We're gonna say that one again, okay? Yeah, we're gonna do it again. I have no doubt that in whatever I do, I will be successful. I already am successful. I am my own role model. I do things with such a beauty, a grace, a poise that people admire me. And I love that about me. I have so many great qualities. And I truly believe in myself. We're gonna run that one back again too, just in case, you know. I heard someone not say it as loud as I wanted them to. So let's do it again. I have so many great qualities. And I truly believe in myself. I'm about to say two things at once. I am so proud of all that I've accomplished. From the tangible to the intangible. And I recognize that life is not solely about what you achieve or about what you are doing. I find joy and peace in the stillness of just being. Existing is enough for me. And I'm damn good at it. Every day when I wake up, I find something to be thankful for. It's easy for me to express gratitude. It's easy for me to be thankful. No matter what the storm, I always find my light. I always shine. And I always choose the path that feels the best. Day by day, I take my time, I sow my seeds. And I continually pour into me. So that pouring into others doesn't feel like I'm running out. I always have enough. We're going to say that one again. I always have enough. And I will always have enough. Even when I can't see the good things in front of me, I am reminded in the smallest ways that they are present. I am protected. I am divinely protected. I am blessed and highly favored. In this moment, right here and now, I express gratitude for being able to exist. To allow oxygen to fill my body. Today, I am strong. Today, I am limitless. Today, I shine. Today, I choose to pour into myself. I am choosing to do the things that feel good to me. And I don't have to explain that to anyone. I no longer subscribe to explaining myself. I no longer subscribe to explaining why the things that bring me joy bring me joy. I move freely as the wind. And I allow myself to be as I am. I am wonderfully made. I have so much light within me. And I'm happy to share it. I am grateful for my voice. I am grateful for my confidence. I am grateful to live in the body that I have. I am grateful to see the smile on my face. And I promise that I will always keep that smile for myself. I am continually doing things that bring me joy, to empower and inspire myself. Wow, you guys are getting really good at this. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I could just pass you the mic. Thank you guys so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. As you go about your day, I watched this YouTube short of the Wizard Liz. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with the Wizard Liz, but she was talking about this manifestation technique, and I was like, why haven't I tried this? So the technique is basically expressing gratitude and then saying, could I please have more? Saying that I love what I have right now and I am open to receiving more of it. Not in a form of give me more, give me more, give me more, but like, could I please have more? You know, you finish your plate of food, can I have a little more? In that way. So let's say you're saying, I'm grateful for my hair, or I'm grateful for my health. I am grateful for having solid health. Can I please have more? You know, like, I think it's a cool way to manifest. So I challenge you to try that. I'm gonna try that. The example that she brought up was like, you know, I am so grateful for my financials, or something like that, and could I please have more? A lot of people, when it comes to manifesting, including myself, money is always like that number one thing that people are asking for more of, but maybe asking in a different sense. I'm so grateful for the abundance that is around me. Can I please have more? You know, finding new ways to ask for what you want without just being it's great to be direct, but at the same time, I feel like that could sometimes get in your way, especially when a lot of people's stressors is around money. So think about the things that if you had more money right now, you would spend them on, and extend gratitude for those things and ask for more. But that's just something that came across my mind. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, babe. And before I forget, this made my day. Big shout out to Lala Lapsig 4091. This comment was so cute. I'm so happy you're here.